See? There's nothing to be scared of here. When my animals are feeling scared, they can take a long time to calm down.
I wish we could help them relax.
Charger, that's it!
Yes! Wait, what's it?
If we help the animals relax first, they might go back into their barn. But how do we do that? What's more relaxing than a little yoga?
Hang on. You want to teach yoga to farm animals? Did I hear that right?
I think it's a fantastic plan. Yeah, if anyone can help your animals calm down, it's Coach Karima.
Hey, what do you say, Wheeler?
Hi, Coach Karima. How would you like to lead a yoga class for a pig, a cow, and some chickens?
I'm sorry. Could you repeat that?
Farmer Zoe's animals got spooked by the storm last night, and we can't seem to calm them down. But we're thinking some yoga might help.
I got nothing to add. Hi!
Hi. Oh, those poor critters. You got it. I'll be right over.
Thanks, pups. But, where is Coach Karima going to do her class if my animals, won't go in the barn?
Don't worry. There's always a construction solution. Yeah. We can build the animals their very own yoga space.
Hooray! That would be amazing!
Now what should a farm animal yoga space look like?
How about something with no walls so they can see all the calming green fields?
Ooh, and the roof should have lots of twinkly lights to help them relax. And wouldn't it be fun if they all had their own special mats so they could practice together? And wind chimes for a soft and soothing sound. Truffles would love that. Fantastic ideas, everyone. Let's bow wow build. Actually, let's bounce and build. Bounce, bounce, measure it twice. Bounce, bounce, make it look nice. Bounce, bounce, tool pack time. Bounce, bounce, love that rhyme.
Drill that screw!
That's what you do. Letting it go. Show us what you know. Bounce and build. Bounce and build.
Love to build all day long. Bounce and build.
Bounce and build.
That's why we sing this song.
Oh yeah.
Bounce, bounce, we're almost done.
Bounce, bounce, building is fun. Bounce, bounce. And relax.
Woo! Great hustle, pups. This is perfect.
Hi, Coach Karima.
Now, where are those farm animals that need to relax?
There they are. Come on over, friends. Isn't this amazing?
Come on, Truffles. Give it a go. Yoga is so relaxing. That's it. Do what I do, Truffles.
Way to go, Truffles. Now, how about trying this pose? I call it the peaceful pig.
It's working.
Here, Maureen, you try this pose. It's called the calm cow. And Benny, Lenny, Jenny, this pose I call the chilled chicken.
Yoga really does calm my animals down. Good to know.
You can ask your parents to subscribe to Nick Jr.'s official Rubble YouTube channel and watch Rubble and Crew on Nickelodeon and everywhere you find Nick Jr.